Thanks for watching this video about the Daily Digital Club Compensation Plan. I'm Victor Grant, and for the past 3 years, Peter Wolfing and I have been teaching best practices in digital marketing in live Zoom webinars to a growing audience of people. In this presentation, Peter will clearly and concisely explain what's possible with this simple system he designed in the Daily Digital Club. I hope you enjoy it and get back to the person who sent you this video with a big, astounding yes that you're ready to get started. So now, over to Peter.
Live life without limits. Financial freedom is yours with our global compensation plan. This is a 10-week retirement plan presentation, 100% commissions, and you break even on your very first person. Let's get started. Week number 1 of 10, get your first 4 people. Everyone knows 4 people, so that's your first goal, is to get 4. You keep the first and third sale, the second and fourth roll up. So you keep 2, you pass 2 up. So 2 times $25 to you is $50. Week number 2, your 2 get their 4 because 2 are rolling up. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 4 people on your pay line. That's 4 times 25 or 100, so you compound that out, and that's $150 in residual income. Week number 3, your 4 get their 4. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 8 people on your pay line. 8 times 25 is 200. That totals $350 per month in residual income. Week number 4, your 8 get their 4. Remember, we're talking about weeks, not months here. This is very doable. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 16 people on your pay line. That's $400 to you, totaling $750 in residual per month income. Week number 5 of 10, your 16 get their 4 people. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 32 people on your pay line. That's $800 to you, totaling $1,550 in residual per month income. Week number 6, your 32 are now going to get their 4 people. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 64 people. That's going to be $1,600 to you, totaling $3,150 in residual income. Week number 7, your 64 now get their 4 people. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 128 people, generating $3,200 to you, totaling $6,350 per month in residual income. Week number 8, your 128 people get their 4 people. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 256 people. That's generating you $6,400, totaling $12,750 in residual income. Week number 9, your 256 get their 4 people. They pass 2 up to you. That's now 512 people. Times 25 is $12,800, totaling $25,550 in residual income. Week number 10, your 512 get their 4. This is the really interesting part. They pass 2 up to you. You now have 1,024 people, generating $25,600, totaling $51,150 in residual income. That was simple, right? Well, ask yourself a simple question. What would happen if you brought in more people? Can you say, wow, that's incredible? Of course. Week number 11, 1,024 get their 4 people. And we take it a little bit further, and the numbers get crazy. They pass 2 people up to you. You now have 2,048 people, generating $51,200 to you, $102,350 in residual income. Who are your first 4 people? Duplicate this with others, never quit, and always think long term, because your dreams can become reality. The moment you decide to take action is when it happens. Live life by design instead of by default.
So get back to the person who told you about the Daily Digital Club. Your life will never be the same.